South Lamar, Westmoreland, right over Reno Playfield. Help come for the people of Central Westmoreland. Help is here for Central Westmoreland people that got flood out, no food to eat. Help is here. Help. Help is here. South Lamar, help is here. South Lamar, Central Westmoreland. Help is here from the United States of America. Help is here, Central Westmoreland, at the Reno Playfield. Food and water for the hurricane victims. Help from America. Help from America. Help from America.
And Mr. Thomas is doing a fine job.